What's happening, everyone? Got another reset for you today. Today we're going to do the UMIDIGI Bison. If you have a pattern, password that you forgot and you need to do a hard reset, we'll show you how to do that on this phone. Pretty cool rugged phone. Also, just a heads up, guys, if you haven't yet, subscribe. We got a ton more content coming. A lot more teardowns and hard resets. And if there is anything you want to see in particular, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up first before the other stuff we got lined up. Always trying to get as much stuff out as we can to show you guys how to do it. But in any case, if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot what it is, well, this is how you do it. And as always, when you do a hard reset, guys, remember you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on there, it will be deleted, just a heads up. So let's get right into it. So first we got to turn off the phone, hold the power button. You got your power button here, volume down and volume up right there. So we'll turn it off. Once the phone is off, we'll be holding volume up and power at the same time. Usually like to hold volume up first and then hit power. I'll do it from this angle so you guys can see it a little better. And that should bring up to this little reset menu. Your volume up navigates. Volume down navigates and volume up is select. So we select right on recovery. So this will load right into the recovery mode. And then you get the no command screen. To get out of this and to get the actual reset, you want to hold power and volume up. The easiest way to do it is just hold power and then tap volume up. And make sure you go relatively fast, that way it doesn't just get to this restart screen. So then we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Your volume buttons will navigate and the power button is your enter button. So we'll hit enter, factory reset, yep, I'm gonna enter that. Now the phone is resetting. And it's done pretty quickly. So once we're done, we can either turn it off or just reboot. In this case, I'm just gonna turn it off. So I'll scroll all the way down here, power off, hit enter. And that's it, we're done. And that's how you do a hard reset on UMIDIGI Bison. Relatively easy. If you guys have any questions, comments, like, share, all that good stuff, we'd appreciate it. And again, thanks for watching. Until next time.